The name Ross finds its roots in the ancient Celtic tongue, where Ros referred to a promontory or headland. The fertile land between the Cromarty and Dornoch Firths was the ancestral home of this clan, and it was here that their legacy began to take root. They became known as the Earls of Ross, with the first Earl, Malcolm, making his appearance in the early 12th century. One of the most intriguing aspects of Clan Ross's history is their early alliance with the Irish royal house of Tara. This connection was solidified through the marriage of Malcolm's daughter, cementing their status among the Scottish nobility. The clan was also known by other names, such as Clan Anrias or Gille Andras, which paid homage to their Obiolan ancestry. Fearchar Mac and Zargurt, an Earl of Ross, played a pivotal role in the clan's ascent. Knighted by his king, he received formal recognition as the Earl of Ross in 1234. Fearchar's lineage traced back to the hereditary Abbots of Applecross, a testament to the clan's deep-rooted connections. Throughout history, Clan Ross played a prominent role in Scottish affairs. They supported alliances with figures like Llewellyn, the Welsh prince, and valiantly fought against the Norse invasion in the Battle of Largs, 1263. Their voices were heard in the Scottish Parliament of 1283, where they advocated for the succession of Princess Margaret, the Maid of Norway, to the Scottish throne. The clan was not without its challenges. In their pursuit of Scottish independence, some members of Clan Ross swore fealty to Edward I of England in 1296. William Ross, one of the clan's leaders, faced capture during the Battle of Dunbar in the same year. However, his eventual release and reconciliation with the Scottish crown through marriage demonstrated the resilience of Clan Ross. The last chief to hold the earldom was William Ross, who passed away in 1372. His only daughter, Euphemia, claimed the earldom as the Countess of Ross, but it eventually passed into the hands of the crown in 1476. However, the chiefship continued within the clan, with leadership passing to William's younger half-brother, Hugh of Balnagowan. Clan Ross's loyalty to the Scottish crown extended beyond its political struggles. They were royalists in the English Civil War, with David Ross, the 12th chief, leading his clansmen into battle against Oliver Cromwell's forces at the Battle of Worcester in 1651. Despite defeat and imprisonment, the clan's spirit endured. In 1903, the chiefship was restored to the true line when Miss Ross of Pitcairn rematriculated the chiefly arms. This marked a return to the clan's roots and traditions. The chiefship eventually passed in 1968 to David Ross of Ross and Shandwick, a direct descendant in the male line of Mac and Zargurt.